I am back again, as I promised earlier that now this video is all about how to write your ThERAPS exam, and I have uploaded a video on how to study your ThERAPS for your third year and final year BHMS course. If you haven't heard or watched that, go and find it in my Insta page. You will be able to listen, and on the basis of that only you are going to write your ThERAPS exam. So better to watch that before watching this. Let's start how you are going to write your paper. So now the questions usually are 5 marks, 10 marks, 15 marks or 20 marks. In the 5 mark question, you have to just simply write one medicine and write down all the keynotes of that particular medicine, including the action of that medicine in that particular diseased condition. That's more than enough. Now comes the 10 marks, 15 marks or the 20 marks question, where you have to write about 4 to 5 medicines in detail. That is why the question has been given so much weightage. Always write 3 to 4 lines or 5 to 6 lines about that particular diseased condition which has been asked in that particular question. All the disease condition you should have somewhat an idea. Write at least 2 to 3 lines so that the teachers know that you know about the disease condition and you are going to write the ThERAPS well again. And how to write the medicines? You have to see how many medicines your teachers or your university demands according to the marks that particular question. Now let's pick up one remedy. How you are going to write a remedy? Write down all the keynotes, all that particular keynotes of this remedy, because you are going to gain marks for materia only. If you don't even remember what symptoms of that remedy has in that particular disease, that's okay. Write down the keynotes. Don't miss to write the keynotes. That is the mistake we all do. We think that it is a ThERAPS paper and we don't have to write the keynotes, but we have to correctly think that it's homeopathy and based on the symptom similarity. And for symptom similarity, we need the keynotes for that medicine to be prescribed. Write down the keynotes. If you don't remember what action of lycopodium is there on the varicose vein, write down all the keynotes of lycopodium. Write down everything and you are going to get good marks. That is how you have to write your ThERAPS exam. It is so simple, yet all of us find it difficult because we really don't know how to attempt the paper, how to write things and how to study things. Writing down ThERAPS paper is very easy. You just simply need to write 2-3 lines of that particular disease condition, and then accordingly how many marks the question is being asked, you have to write the number of medicine, and in each medicine write down the keynotes. And if you remember the action of that particular medicine in that particular disease, that's well and good. If you tend to forget that, it's okay. Write down the keynotes, you're going to get the marks. So guys, if you haven't heard any of the podcast on Materia Medica yet, then go simply click on the link in my bio. I have uploaded a lot of podcasts on Materia Medica, especially from your Allen's keynote, and it helps you to remember materia faster and makes you understand very well. So guys, go and click on the link in my bio. Till then, take care, stay safe guys, bye bye.